If you're not familiar with GitHub, it's where developers store and manage code. Think of it like Google Docs, but for code. It keeps track of every change, lets multiple people collaborate, and it's the standard tool that professional developers use. Base44 has a GitHub integration. When you turn it on, all the code behind your app, everything Base44 generated, gets pushed to a GitHub repository, a place that you own and control. Let me show you how to connect it. In Base44, click the GitHub icon, that's the one next to the 3-dot icon in the top toolbar, then click Connect to GitHub. In the pop-up, click Connect GitHub, and then you'll get a pop-up window that appears. You could either sign in to an existing GitHub account or create a new one. I'll continue with Google. Then simply follow the prompts to get set up. You'll be directed back to Base44 and prompted to create a repository. Go ahead and name your repository, then click Create. In the upper right, we now have a green dot on the GitHub button, and we can see that it's connected. That's it. Your app's code now lives in GitHub. And from here, the sync works both ways. When you make changes in Base44 in Publish, they show up in GitHub automatically. And if someone pushes code changes to GitHub, Base44 picks them up. Now here's where this gets really interesting. Remember at the beginning of this video, I showed you 3 categories of vibe coding tools: all-in-one builders, AI code editors, and AI coding agents. We've been using an all-in-one builder this entire time. But now that your code is in GitHub, you can use the other tools too. For example, let's say you want to make a change to your app, but you're struggling to get Base44's chat to do exactly what you mean. You could clone your repository to your computer, open a tool like Claude Code, which is an AI coding agent, and tell it directly something like this: I'm having an issue where the Schindler's List movie doesn't seem to be pulling in any images for the display. Can you evaluate and fix that? It goes in and edits the actual files. You push those changes to GitHub, and Base44 picks them up automatically. You don't need to do any of this right now. You just built your first app. That's the win for the moment. But I want you to know that this is here, because the real power of vibe coding isn't any single tool. It's that all these tools work together. You use the builder to go from 0 to a working product, and when you want more control, you bring in more powerful tools or collaborators without starting over. I'll link Base44's GitHub setup guide in the description so you can explore this when you're ready. Use the link on screen or click the first link in the description below to start vibe coding for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.